Multiplying fractions. Let's get into it. Let's try a couple of easy ones. First one, 1 over 5 times 3 over 7. Pretty straightforward with multiplying fractions, much easier than adding or subtracting. All you need to do is multiply the two numerators, or the tops, together, and then multiply the two denominators together, and you get a simple answer. So for this one, we're just going to do 1 times 3, which is 3 on the top, and 5 times 7 is 35 on the bottom. Answer 3/35. Let's do another one. This time, 2/7 times 3. 2 over 7 times 3. For 3, we need a numerator and a denominator. Whenever you have just a regular whole counting number, you write it as that number over 1. Okay, so 3 just turns into 3 over 1. If it was a 10, we're going to make it 10 over 1, so on and so forth. Okay, and then we do our multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6 on the top, 7 times 1 is 7 on the bottom. Answer 6/7. Moving on, let's try examples C and D. For C, same thing. Numerator, we're going to get 3 times 2, which is 6, and the denominator is 4 times 11, which is 44. They're both even numbers, so we can actually simplify this one. Dividing top and bottom by 3, what do we get? No, not 3. Dividing top and bottom by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 44 divided by 2 is 22, which can give us a final answer of 3 over 22. You could have cancelled that and simplified right at the start, Oh, we could have actually cancelled that earlier, couldn't we? My mistake. Let's do it another way and get the same answer. So instead of cancelling later on, what we can do is 3 over 4. Just going to rewrite the question, and I'll do a little wall down here. Avoid the confusion again. What we can actually do is cancel earlier on. 3 over 4 times 2 over 11. The 2 and the 4 can actually cancel a little earlier. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 4 twice. We can actually cancel anything on the top half with anything on the bottom half. We can cancel diagonally, we can cancel top and bottom, but we actually can't cancel bottom to bottom or top to top. So let's retry this one now. We are going to get 3 times 1, which is 3, over 2 times 11, 22. Okay, same answer. So from now on, if you can cancel earlier, it is better. Let's do it that way from now on. On to another one. 9 over 20 times 5 over 21. Can we cancel anything straight away? Yes, we can, as Obama would say. I can see a 5 and a 20, so 5 goes into 5 once, and I know 5 goes into 20 4 times. Now let's multiply these. Hang on, you can cancel more there. Oh, I can cancel more? Oh right, the 9 and the 21. 9 and 21 are both divisible by 3, aren't they? Okay, 3 into 9, 3. 3 into 21, 7. There we go. Finishing this off. 3 times 1 is 3, over 4 times 7, 28. Final answer, 3 over 28. Want to try a few more? Now it's your turn. Please try example 2. Try multiplying these pairs of fractions. Except this one, that's not a fraction. What do you do with the 4? Remember to share your answers in the comments, and thanks always for watching.